If taking drugs is uncool, I'm the most uncool motherfucker on the planet.
To replicate that same text animation in After Effects, just follow my steps. First, we need to write down our text. To easily sync up your text with the video, select your video layer and hit the L key twice to better see where the dialogue is. Now add a text layer and write in whatever your subject is saying. Of course, customize it as you wish. I'm using the Arial bold font right here. And after you're done, hold Ctrl and drag the text to the center. Next, trim down the layer by hitting Ctrl-Shift-D and then remove the unwanted bit. Do the same thing for the ending part as well, but try to make this layer last as long as possible and you will see why. Move the playhead to the starting point of your layer and then go to the effects panel. Add the fade up words effect onto your text and then select your text and hit U to bring up the keyframes and adjust the last keyframe to match with the voiceover. Next, go back to the effects panel and search for increased tracking. Drag it onto your layer and make sure to have the playhead right at the beginning of your layer before adding this effect. Hit U again and drag the last keyframe of this effect towards the end of your layer. Right click on the keyframe itself and click on this value right here and set it to 5 or 10. Go back to the effects panel again and this time search for fade out slow. Drag it onto your layer and then hit U again to bring up the keyframes and basically drag the first keyframe towards the last keyframe of the first effect we added earlier, which is the fade up words effect. Now select your layer and hit Ctrl-D to duplicate it. Move this new layer towards the second dialogue.
I'm the most uncool.
Hit U to bring up the keyframes and adjust the duration of the keyframes to match with this line of dialogue. And all you have to do now is change this text and type in whatever your subject is saying at this point in time. By the way, I recently launched a Patreon where you can find the project file and the presets of this tutorial, as well as other videos, project files and editing assets, etc. For $1 per month, you can download hundreds of project files, presets and enjoy some other benefits as well. Okay, now back to the video. Okay, so here's how the animation looks like.
If taking drugs is uncool, I'm the most uncool motherfucker on the planet.
The only thing that's left for us to do right now is to add this glowy effect onto our video. Select your layers and right click them. Choose pre-compose and then choose this option right here and click OK. Now we're gonna use the Deep Glow plugin, which requires a license by the way. So after downloading the plugin, search for the Deep Glow in the effects panel and drag it onto your layer. Change the radius to 300, change the exposure to 0.5 and then expand the tint option right here and set the tint mode to dual color, and I'm just gonna change the color auto to be white. That's it for this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Check out my Patreon, link in the description below, and yeah, feel free to watch this next tutorial if you want.